Everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute little pinch type bows. It's a slightly different take to these ones that I did last week, because obviously that one is just literally a rectangle of leather, soft leatherette pinched, the same as this one. It's just a slightly smaller version, and that's how they look at the back. And today we're going to create these little versions like so, where you have the colour on both sides and it gives the bow just a slightly different sit. Like I said, as you can see, it's just a little bit more solid, so I'm going to show you how to make those. Let's move those that way. And if I talk too fast and you miss the sizes, don't worry, because I put everything in the descriptions below. And just have green. 1 second. I'm going to cut a piece from my centre. There we go. So on this piece I have got a piece of this lovely mermaid scale here, and all I have done is on this one I cut 2 inches by 7 inches, so that's 2 by 7. And the smaller ones that I just showed you here, they are 1.5 inch by 6 inches. So like I said, that's the sizes, but like I said, they'll all be down below. And on these smaller ones, so the 2 inch and the 1.5 inch versions, what you do is obviously you cut out your rectangle like so, fold it in half, and what I do is I take my pencil or an invisible ink pen, whatever you've got, and mark your centres, and then I've gone in and drawn down the middle. And then what I use, rather than glue, and you can use glue instead, your glue gun instead, but some double-sided tape. All you need is a piece over your middle, like so. And like I said, the reason I use this instead of the glue gun is purely because the glue gun glue, if you don't get it stuck down quick enough, it can get quite thick and bulky and it can affect the shape of your bow. So like I said, that's why I use it like this. So like I said, put your tape on down the middle, and then bring in these sides into your line, and this will help keep your bow balanced as well. I'll just stick that down. Repeat the other side. There we go. Make sure your edges are nice and even, and then fold in half like that. And then what you want to do is where the crease is this way, you want to fold in half upwards, like so. So your crease is facing down there. And then with your thumb, you want to push this edge back against your thumb to meet that original crease. And then you want to fold that down so that meets your crease that side. Okay, now at this point, especially these ones, because these shinier, thinner materials are very, very easy to pinch, but they're very, very difficult to glue. So instead of using a glue gun, all you need is some extra strength thread, upholstery thread, extra strength Gutermann thread, anything that's really strong. Hold your bow in the centre, give that a wrap a good couple of times. Make sure you've got enough to tie it, and then tie off the back as tight as possible. Like so. It keeps your shape. and it won't pop open like when you do use your glue gun. Cut off your excess. And the other thing is with your cotton or your thread, if you're not 100% centered, you can adjust it a little bit and sort your bow out like that, so you've got even on both sides. And then I've cut a little centerpiece, and this is just under 1 centimetre, well, about 1 centimetre wide. You need roughly 5 centimetres, and running out of small clips in a minute. So take a clip, put a generous amount of glue on it, press that against that centre crease bump like so, hold it down for a good few seconds. Okay, I want a touch of glue here. Open your clip, find your centre, hold that down another second, and then wrap round and glue here. Open that up and press down, and there you go. And that pinch method works on 2-inch wide ones and 1-inch wide ones. Now you can do a 3-inch version, 3-inch wide version, and I have got it cut ready here. And again, folded it in half, do your pen mark, well, pencil marks either side, and I've drawn my line down the centre. I'm just going to make that a little bit more visible. Use my pen just so we can see it nice and clearly. With it being darker material, I just want to make sure that I can see that line once I've got my double-sided tape over. See? Right over the centre. Cut that off. Press that down. Now if you can't get it to flick up at the edges, the trick is score it like that. And then you'll be able to get it. There we go. And in to meet your centre again. And like I said, the mark's difficult for you to see, but I can just see it myself. So, like so. And on this one, we want to start our pinches with the creases up like so, and you want to bring it so that both sides are even. Hold your thumb in the middle where you can see your lines this side, and then you want to push back against your thumb and down, and repeat the other side. Your fingers there, you want to push back against your finger like so, and then you want to bring that up so you get 3 creases here, and you've got the 2 either side. Now this is a thin glitter, like I said, nice and easy to pinch, as you can see. Again, the glitters are quite hard to glue and keep, so again, this is another one that I'm going to wrap with my extra strength thread, because I feel it's just a little bit more secure. You can put glue in as well if you prefer, like I said, get your centre. Make sure you hold one side that way. And wrap nice and tight a good couple of times like so. And then tie off in the back, good couple of times, nice and tight. There we go. Get rid of that. And there we go. There's our nice, pretty, wider 3-inch version. And this is what your back looks like. So there we go. And again, I've cut a 1 centimetre wide and again roughly 5 centimetres long minimum to wrap your centre. Bit of glue on our clip. Hold that on the back there a couple of seconds till we're certain it's nice and secure. Then we want a touch of glue just here. There we go. Open that up. Hold that down a second. And then we're going to wrap round our centre nice and tight. Cut off the excess. If you get a little bit of fraying here, give it a little run over with the edge of your lighter. Touch of glue. And there we go. There is another version of a super cute pinch tray. Like I said, in multiple sizes. I'll leave you all the measurements in the description boxes below. Like I said, it's super simple. Like I said, it uses slightly more material than the other pinch versions, but like I said, it does give you a nice solid look. So there you go. If you need any more help or anything like that, don't forget to, I have a page and a group and you can join me and ask for any help or show me anything that you make with my tutorials. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.